What happened?
I definitely heard it hit.
They're down there.
Are they down there? They're down
Yeah, like I can see them, I think. Go, 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 go.
This is really fucking light. Okay, there it goes.
Go, 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 go.
It's fucking heavy.
Oh, fuck. How's it gonna get off the edge?
I don't know.
Fuck. Don't rip. We're fucked. It's not coming up.
It's coming up. We got this.
Fuck.
Hold on. We'll let you let down a little bit. But get loose. It's stuck on something.
It's stuck on the ledge. It's too heavy. Cause you know it latches underneath.
Got it.
Go.
It's the last one.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Come on, let it down a little bit.
Hurry up.
It's right there.
Come on.
Hold on, you got it?
Yeah.
Dude, let down a little bit. We'll get it swinging.
Go.
Go. Here's full gear on. You got two of them, right?
Hand. Bring it up.
You got two of them, right?
Yeah.
Do they do the other?